Okay, we are going to show you how we collaborated to GitHub. Okay. As you can see here, a change is recorded. You can see a change is recorded. Now I am going to answer a message. Okay, and now just create a. This is a commit. I'm now going to push, and now I will simply go to GitHub, refresh my repository. Just a minute, and you can see changes there. I will now create a pull request. And create a pull request. This is pull request we have created this pull request through the our master repository, that is creative automation. And now I'm merging this. Okay, I merged this to master repository. Now my friend Mukesh will share his screen to show how will he collaborate. Mukesh, now you can share your screen. Okay, now he will create compare. Create a pull request here. Demo merge. Okay, create. Now we have merged this pull request. Now we'll simply go to GitHub and refresh it. Refresh it again. Okay, now you can see here the demo change we created on 11th line is added here. So you can see here within a very small short time, we able to switch from one person to another. Thank you.